What is up, guys? Welcome back to Motorhead YouTube channel. So today the day has finally came and we're going to be working on the 1967 Ford Mustang, and we are going to prep it and get it painted. So we're hoping to get a lot of the work done today, and then we'll go ahead and get the rest of it done tomorrow and hopefully get it painted tomorrow if all goes well. We're gonna go ahead and start blocking it down and getting it all ready and nice and smooth. And we want to do a wet sand, that way it's nice and clean and we get a really good result. So we're going to start with some 400 wet or dry, and this stuff can be used with water. So we're gonna wet sand this entire car and get everything nice and smooth. The reason we're doing a 400 is because we want to ensure that there's absolutely no peel in it and we have a nice smooth surface to work with. And then after 400, we'll go over it with the 600, right, Don?
Yep.
And Don, the pro, is going to slick it in. And he said I could clear it, but I don't know, I'm kind of scared.
Why are you so scared?
Because what if it turns out too good and you lose your job?
Oh, man, you have it.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start getting this thing ready. That way we can paint it tomorrow. All right, guys, so me and Don are knocking this thing out. We got pretty much all of it sanded with 400, and all we got left is, as Don said, the finger busters right here. We got to sand all these crevices, and then we'll go ahead and hit everything with the 600. But right now everything's looking super smooth, and I'm really happy with how everything's turning out, and it's looking awesome. So we're gonna just keep going with 400 for today, and then tomorrow morning we'll hit everything with the 600, get this thing nice and clean, and then get it out in the sun probably to let it dry off. And Don does have another paint job, so while it's drying, he'll do that, and then we'll go ahead and get this thing slicked in. So we're gonna keep going for today, and then once we get to a stopping point, we'll just leave it for tomorrow. All right, guys, next day here, me and Don are sanding away. We had to reprime this because I spilled pour 15 on it, so I reprimed that yesterday. Got that sanded, and right now we are doing the core support and the engine bay, and then we're going to go over everything one more time with a 400 and then a 600, and this thing is going to be perfect. So let's get into it and get this done. We probably won't paint it today, but at least we'll have it ready today. All right, guys, next day here. Mustang is finally in the booth. It looks awesome. Everything is nice and dry. So we're gonna go ahead and start prepping this thing and get it ready for a custom paint job. And this thing's gonna look absolutely awesome. So we're gonna take our time and do everything very meticulously. That way it turns out awesome, just like the parts. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, just like that, the Mustang is painted. This was definitely a mission trying to get everything, and it's definitely not perfect. There are some imperfections, but overall, I do like how the front end turned out, and the roof is pretty slick. Also, really the main problem areas are these two quarter panels. They're just not perfect, and they have a couple of dry spots, and there's a couple of dry edges, but I think it'll all buff out and it looks awesome. So I definitely think I can make this look slick just like everything else. But in the next episode, probably won't be for a while on this car. We're gonna let this thing cure really nicely, and then eventually we'll go ahead and buff what needs to be buffed and get it slick. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man? I'm looking at your work over here.
Don't look at it too hard, dude. It ain't nothing to call home to mama about. But one of the big things was the gun, which Don was actually helping me. And the thing is I started to get the gun towards the end, but that didn't work.
New spray gun, hard to figure out.
I was telling myself,
It's not the right time to be trying out a new spray gun that you're not used to on an all over like this. But, you know, you live and you learn.
yeah,
And you definitely learn.
the roof is slick.
That's a plus.
And the front.
Oh, yeah, the fingers. You love these fingers, man. I
Mm.
can tell you loved them. I can tell by the shine you gave them love.
Yeah, we put a lot of,
You just forgot to give the quarters some love.
yeah, the quarters.
You gave one of the quarters too much love in one spot.
Oh, I made a run, yeah, right there. Yeah, these quarters, well, the thing is, guys, when I was spraying originally, the way I had way too high PSI and it was spraying super dry. So the quarters got like really peely. And even after I'd figured it out and went over it again, it didn't. I mean, you can't get rid of
Don't
that.
give him too much of a hard time, guys. I mean, he don't spray every day, and he loves this type of work, and you know, so don't beat him up too badly because he did a good job on it for somebody that's, you know, that don't spray every day and actually trying to figure out a new spray gun. That's tough, you know, especially on all over. I mean,
And on all over in the heat. I mean,
yeah, and all overs ain't easy. Period. I don't like all overs myself.
yeah, and you've
I mean,
been doing it for
I'm
30
not
years.
a fan of them. I do them for people that, you know, I'm friends with or stuff like that. But for a living, I would not want to paint cars all over.
Yeah, no. Unless they're paying out the yin yang.
Yeah. But for somebody that does it every day, you know, somebody that does do cars all over every day, yeah, I mean, they don't have no problems with, you know, it's like me, I'm a reduction painter, so I'm used to, you know.
Oh, we get it. You're a professional.
No, I'm not a professional.
I'm but a peasant in your presence.
I'm far
Yo,
from
but look
professional.
how straight the bodywork is, dude.
Yeah.
Man, guys, look at this. This car is
Really
just,
straight.
this thing is straight as an arrow. And I'm happy all the doors and everything turned out super straight. Because, man, when you slap all these body panels on, this car, like, especially remember how we got the body lines all lined up perfectly?
Very nice.
Dude, when this thing is together, it's literally gonna look awesome. Cause we got the hood gaps lined up to those fender gaps right there, and it's perfect all the way through.
Can't wait till it gets out in the sunshine.
Oh yeah, dude. Hey, we should turn off the lights and put a light on this.
It'll probably be a couple of days before that happens here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Larry didn't even see that.
Dude, the camera doesn't even give it justice.
Huh?
Like, look at the camera and then look at it in person. It doesn't.
Oh yeah, the camera's not even doing nothing for it.
Turn the other light on, the white light.
That is the white, that's the blue light. Yellow light.
Man, dude, that's crazy.
Look at how much metallics in that.
This thing's gonna look insane in the sun with all the body. Let's go put all the doors on and everything and roll it out. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and if you want to stick around and see this thing get completed, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any updates, guys. Stay tuned. This thing's gonna be awesome. In next episode, once it's all cured, we'll have it all together and buffed out and out in the sun, and it's gonna look insane. I'm telling you guys, that camera does not give it justice. In person, it looks way better, and it's absolutely crazy color. I'm glad Larry went with that one because the original one was blue, and me and Don had to coerce him to choose this one because the other one was just whack compared to this. I mean, this is crazy, and it's a one-of-a-kind Mustang. I see blue Mustangs all the time. And definitely this is the cooler choice. So stay tuned, guys, if you want to see this thing out in the sun. And you can give us a follow at Instagram at motorhead.co. I'll link it down below. We drop a lot of that stuff before the video drops. So if you want to see it, go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.